Hello, Hawks. Mrs. Brothers here. It is so good to see you again, even if it is online. Today, I'm making this video to help guide you through your week 7 lesson. As a part of week number 6, our face-to-face students learned about value as part of their art warm-up. Value is one of the elements of art. If you look here to the right, you'll see all of these words in blue. These are the elements of art. The elements of art are the building blocks to every single art piece ever. Every single art piece in the whole wide world is going to have at least one of, if not all of, these elements. The elements are value, shape, color, form, texture, space, and line. And last week we studied value. Value is how dark or how light a color can be. There, on the value scale, the darkest color would be black, and the lightest color would be white, and there's a bunch of grays in between. We did some studies on value and did some sketches to explore it. I'm going to have a definition and a video for you to watch on the slide below. After you look at that slide, or after your lesson, you can explore that slide and maybe do a tiny sketch about value. Otherwise, keep watching to get a tutorial about your art lesson today. These are our learning targets today. I can learn about the art career of an architect. I can compare old and new homes. I can apply what I learned by designing a dream home. Look and plan. What does an architect do? Watch this video titled, I Want to Be an Architect, to learn a little more about what architects do. Your first activity is to think about these questions. Who else does an architect work with when designing a building? Even though lots of buildings have mostly the same basic parts, do they look the same? Why or why not? If you have a question you'd like to ask an architect, click this green box here. Activity number 2. Watch the slideshow or the video below to see examples of historic Plano homes. Then, think about these questions. What is the purpose of these features, such as large windows, multiple chimneys, overhanging roofs, porches, and balconies? Why were these features important parts of a house in Plano years ago? Which style of house is your favorite? How are these historic houses alike and different from newer houses in Plano? Activity number 3. Brainstorm. Think about designing your own house. What do you want your house to look like? What size and style will it be? What features does it have? In Plano, the summers are really hot. Where will you build your house? The desert, beach, mountains, or even the moon? How will your house be designed for that environment? Create an idea page including a list of features you want to include on your house. You may do so by using words, drawings, or photos. Use your digital portfolio on slide number 9 or a piece of paper that you can photograph. You may use words, photos, and sketches to express these ideas. Once you are done, be sure to add those pictures of those drawings, words, or attached photos to slide number 9. We will use slide number 9 next week. If you have a question about the lesson, you can reach me at any time through my email at miranda.smith@pisd.edu. Or you may call me at my work phone at 469-752-1954. However, now that we are face-to-face, I might be teaching a class when you call. If I am, I will still answer the phone, but I might not be able to help you with your question right away. I would be happy, though, to take your name and number and schedule a time to call you back and help you with your question.